African setting, more particularly in the Ghanaian school, where PowerPoint is not used in the classroom. However, for the purpose of this micro teaching, and then also to make our lesson more meaningful to the audience, we will decide to use just a little bit of PowerPoint. Now, this is a social studies lesson to be presented by social studies teachers from Ghana. And we are Rafael, Christian, and then Osman. We are presenting a subtopic. And then, with regard to the instructional strategy, we are using the jigsaw method and art inclusion, which of course is a kind of cooperative learning technique. We have also designed this lesson to cover the cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domain of our students. So we can begin the lesson. Good morning, class. Good morning, doctors. It's an early morning lesson. Okay. Yes. Last week we were having a look at Islamic religious beliefs and practices. And for me to understand whether the last week lesson had gone down with every student, I would like responses to this question. What are some of the Islamic religious beliefs that we have? Yes, they believe in Allah, good. Any other? Yes, that is another significant belief that we discussed last time.
Fast.
Yeah. Fasting, yes. Now, prayer, yes. Today, we're going to have a look at the 3 Islamic practices. The first 3 Islamic pillars. And these include Shahada, Salat, and then Zakat. So I would like everybody to say it before me. Shahada, Salat, Zakat.
Alright. Now, since we are using jigsaw, I'm going to divide the class into groups based on your multiple intelligence. Now, I'll give you numbers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1.
You are 3. Give your numbers. 1, 2, 3.
1,
2, 3. 1,
2,
3. 1,
2, 3.
Okay, now all those with 1, number 1, stand up. Number 1, stand up. Number 1, stand up. If you are number 1, stand up. Okay, group here, come this way. Come this way. Number 2, stand up. Number 2, come this way. Number 2, come this way. If you are 2, come this way. Alright. Number 3. Now 3, gather this way. Come this way. The 3s. Yes, if you are number 3, come this way. Alright. Now number 1, sit this side. Number 1. If you chose number 1, sit here. Number 2, this way. Alright. Alright. Now, your group, what I want you to do is that each one of you should pick one pillar. Each one of you should pick one pillar. Number 1, pick one pillar. Each one of you should pick one pillar. Now, anyone. Yes, it can be different, but it can be different. Okay? Alright. The same. Each one of you should pick one pillar. One pillar. Each one of you should pick one pillar. Okay. Yes. Now, okay, I'm coming. Now, you have picked one pillar. Okay. Now, 3 people should get up from this side. 3 people. I want 3 people to get up. 1, 2, 3. 3 people. Okay. Now, 3 people should also get up from this side. 3 people. Okay. Now, 3 people should get up from this side. 3 people. Okay. 3 people. 3 people. Now, okay. What did you select? Zakat. Okay. Stand here. Come this way. Zakat. What did you select? Anybody? Salat. Okay. Go that way. That way. Did you select Zakat? The second one. What did you select? You said
Salad.
Salad. And you said zakat? Okay, you don't get zakat. Oh, zakat. Okay. Now salad, come to see. If you select a salad, what do you say? What do you say? Sahara. Come to see. Sahara. Sahara. Anybody Sahara? Okay, Sahara. Okay. Okay. Sahara. Okay. Now, okay, so join this side. All right. Now, no, you said you chose Sahara.
I said you're the fourth person. I was the fourth person.
Now, anybody chose Sahara from this group? Sahara. Okay. Sahara. Okay. No, it's Sahara is there.
No, salad.
Salad. Okay. Okay. Now, all those, you have chosen your areas. Now, let me explain something. We are treating the 3 pillars of Islam for today. Now, we program or we design a lesson plan based on the fact that we're given some numbers at the Georgia State University. So that's what we use to design our lesson plan. And in each group, we're supposed to have 3 people to discuss the 3 lists. So the rest of you can participate in the discussion, but today you are exempted from classes. Okay. So what you do is that you have the Sahara. I'm going to give you the essential question. Now, the essential question is this. Okay, what is the significance of the 3 pillars to a Muslim? So your group, you look at the significance of zakat to the Muslim, and the material is there. So you look at the information here, and you discuss it, you research into it, and then you become expert within your group. The same applies to this group. You do the same thing. Your guide is the essential question on the board. Okay. All right. So now settle somewhere. Settle. You can settle here. You can settle over there. You can also settle here. Yeah. And then start here. I'll give you 5 minutes. 5 minutes. To research. You selected. The rest of you, I've told you already. We did this based on 3 students in the class. Okay, so for you can participate, but you are exempted from the class. Just for the purpose, because that's what the information that we have. Okay, that's what we are doing. So, yes. So now discuss the essential question you need to discuss is what is on the board. What is the significance of the 3 pillars? Okay, in this case, your pillar. Okay, to the Muslim. All right. Yes. So I'll ask you some questions. All right, now your time is getting close. Your time is getting close. Now, please, do you remember your original groups? Your original groups. Okay. Okay. All right, now your time is up. Okay. Now go back to your original group. Go back to your original groups. Now, as you are going back to your original groups, you are going as experts in your chosen pillar. So if you selected zakat and you go back to zakat and you go back to your chosen pillar, you are expert on zakat. So you are going to share with your group members what zakat means. If you selected Sahada, you go back to your original group and share with your group members what Sahada means. So that you are an expert in Sahada. The other people will also share with you what they learned from their group. So now share. All right. All right. So now, since you've gone back,